Hi everyone and welcome to Snom TV. My name is Mark and I'm the head of Interop integration at Snom. Today I would like to present to you our brand new service website called Snom Service Hub. So what was the idea of this service website? We wanted to enable our partners to find in the most convenient and fastest way all the relevant information they're looking for when working together with our phones. I would like to walk you quickly through the start page and highlight a couple of features which I think are really cool and come in very handy for you. So let's start with the product categories we have displayed in the middle bottom section of the start page. And let's say, for example, if you're interested in getting to know more about the hardware specifications of a specific desk phone model, you can easily click on here, and this will bring you to this overview. And then let's say, for example, you just purchased a brand new D735 and you're looking, for example, for a list of supported headsets for this phone. You can find this here. Or the latest firmware version. You have a direct link here on below the image. On the right hand side, all the hardware specifications, and at the bottom section we have filtered all the relevant how-to FAQ articles to this product category or to this phone model, and the specific documentation, in this case all the data sheets in the different languages. So next, what I would like to show you on the start page is the centralized place where we store all the documentation, which is this icon here. So this will bring you to an overview site with which is separated into the different product categories, and on the horizontal line into the different languages we offer documentation in. So it starts with German, and the data sheets in German, English, French, and so on. And it goes down to quick installation guides, user manuals. Another thing I would like to show you is the list of PBX partners we work with. So we test and certify our phones on all major PBX platforms in the world. And here on this service hub, we offer you the complete list, where you can find which phone model is certified and supported by which PBX vendor. And yeah, you can just scroll down and prepare yourself for your meeting with your clients and customers to know which phone model you can offer on which PBX system. What else is an information which is also needed and requested, of course, is firmware. So we have a firmware download center you can access via the top menu, or you can also go via the latest firmware release link on the right hand side. So if we open the download center, we will have again the different product categories, and then per category we have always the latest public release you can download. Or if you're looking for older firmware versions, you can also, at the bottom of the page, you can access the firmware archive and download older versions of our firmware. Okay, of course we have a lot of information, a lot of content on this service hub, and it's not always easy to find yourself, find your way through the navigation. So what I think is the most convenient part or the convenient way to look for information is just to use the search, as always what we do in private life if we're looking for something on the internet. So let's assume I'm at a customer side and he has our M700 DECT base stations installed, and he asks us to update these base stations to the latest firmware version, and we can't really remember how to do this. So what we can do is we can go to service.snom.com and just look for it. So I type in how to update M700, and we will have here this result, this search result. We click on it, and then we get immediately to a very brief introduction and explication page how to update the firmware on a M700 multi-cell DECT base station. So this is great. Another example, if I received the partner newsletter and I heard about the cool new feature called Silent Ring on the version 10 of our firmware, and I want to try it out, but I can't really remember how it works or where to configure it. I just search Silent Ring. Doesn't get a search result, so just look for silent, and I can see it's called actually silent mode. So I click on it, and then I get to a nice page where the feature is explained with screenshots of our phone. So now I can go with my phone and try it out. So this is really cool. Another cool thing we did on the Service Hub is what we call VoIP Essentials. So with VoIP Essentials, we want to provide some deep technical information about the voice over IP technology and all the related networking technology one would need to know. So we came up with a couple of interesting pages, and to access this, just type in VoIP Essentials, and you get to the section. You can also, of course, access via the vertical navigation on the left-hand side. And here we have now some interesting articles about the network and the SIP. So if you click on here, Network Essentials, we get to the first page, and then we can go to, okay, let's learn something about basics of network. And yeah, we have the same for the SIP part. So with this, we would like to enable partners who are not so familiar with the voice over IP technology, who are new to this, to get yourself familiarized with the technology and take this maybe as a preparation for later on taking one of our online technical courses in Snom Academy. And with this, I would like to leave it here. I invite everyone to check out our new Snom Service Hub at service.snom.com. Please also comment below on our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out any new cool video which will come up. And yeah, thank you very much, and bye-bye.